Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Now there are a lot of important things which I want to cover in today's video. So without wasting any time, let's quickly discuss about the first important update. Now traders, what you're looking in the screen right now is FII and DAI data for the month of April. Now if you just see FII data for the month, from the beginning of the month, FIIs has been net sellers. You can see there's the net amount sold each and every day. In recent days also, continuously FIIs are selling in the market. If FII sell in the market, who's going to buy? DII will buy it. Now, if you look at DII data for the month, they have been continuously buying while FII have been selling in the market. Now, some days back when FII were selling in the market, we could understand because there was uncertainty in the market in relationship to Israel and Iran war. If you just check Nifty, even when the market is reversing, if these people are selling, there is something fishy in the market. So please be very careful about that. At this kind of market situation, when there is uncertainty, it is important that we do not carry forward our position for the next day. Especially one important thing is about Israel and Iran war. Yes, both the countries are quiet right now. At least if they have come out and said, okay, this war is over, it would have been fine. But both the countries has been silent. So this creates uncertainty in the market. During this kind of situation, definitely investing in the market becomes very difficult. Now, second point, in Mint, today I read an article where they said that after this election, people will start booking their profit. I don't know how far this is true, but if I find that article, I will make sure I paste it here. If you are interested, you can go and read about that in detail. Now, third important point is top 7 tech companies in the US. They are coming out with results this week. This will have serious impact in US market, because of which carry forwarding our position overnight in Indian market also will be challenging. Now what are these companies? Microsoft, Meta, which is Facebook, Google, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Tesla. All of these top tech companies are also called Magnificent Seven. Now, these companies have the potential of deciding how the tech rally is going to be in the market in future. So, everyone in the tech industry will be eagerly waiting for results of these companies. Maybe our market will be closed when the results of these companies come out. So, here again, this is one of the reason why we should not be carry forwarding our positions overnight. Now, one of the important company in Magnificent Seven is Nvidia. The stock has fallen more than 16%. Market might be in correction phase. During this time, we don't know how the results are going to come out. But for artificial intelligence, the chipset what Nvidia makes plays a very important role. We will wait and watch how this stock performs. Next is Tesla. Tesla, from the beginning of the year till now, it has fallen down by more than 42%. Recently, Tesla has even reduced the price of each of their cars by $2,000 to $3,000. Still, the demand for electric cars has reduced, and from the year beginning this stock has fallen more than 40%. Now coming to commodity market, there are two important commodities which we need to focus on. First is oil. Brent crude, as of now, it is trading in negative, and crude oil also is trading in negative. But because of any negative news related to Israel and Iran war, then definitely crude price will increase. That time India will be in trouble because we are one of the largest importer of crude oil. If crude oil prices increase, what will happen? Companies which depend on crude for as a raw material, they will get affected. Like what? Paint companies, Asian Paints, or plastic making companies. For them, one of the main important material to manufacture is crude, right? So these companies will get affected in the next quarter. When their results come out, they might see some reduction in profit. So paint companies, plastic making companies, if you have invested, please concentrate on the crude price. Now today gold price has reduced. I think even yesterday gold price had reduced. During this time, I'm trying my best to accumulate gold. There's not any investment advice. Gold loan companies also has seen 1 or 2% correction, but I feel this is the right time for me to accumulate the stock because no one can catch the bottom. In case there is any geopolitical tension or at the upper level, people will be booking their profit. During this kind of situation, people will more inclined towards gold and gold loan companies. This is my personal understanding about the market. There's not any kind of investment advice. I can be wrong. I'm just explaining what I feel about the market. Now, traders in Indian market also, many people will be focusing on the upcoming results. For example, today we have Mahindra Finance, Tata Consumers. Next we have Axis Bank results tomorrow. Also Hindustan Unilever will be coming out with results tomorrow. So all of these stocks will be in focus. Now, me personally, I'm not invested in these stocks, so I will not personally go and check all the balance sheet or other data of these stocks. But I'm still highlighting this to you so that you know which stocks are in focus for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Now, traders, these are some of the local and global developments which might affect our market in the upcoming days, especially the results of the companies. Before I start with Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, if you have enjoyed the topics which we have discussed so far, share your support by liking the video, and in the comment section let me know if there is any further feedback for me. Now let's quickly discuss what happened in the market today. Later we will analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty chart for tomorrow. Now traders, the first thing which I want to speak about is the Reliance industry. If you remember, yesterday more than 3 to 4 times I had said that continuously before the results many people have accumulated their position in Reliance. Tomorrow, if it gives a breakout, looking at news, many people might think about entering a bullish trade. But I clearly said that many times this can be a trap. People might start booking their profit from the upper level. As expected, after this breakdown, continuously Reliance moved towards the downside. I hope you made use of this information which I provided yesterday. One more important stock which I discussed about was HDFC Bank. I said that HDFC Bank is trading in a symmetric pattern. Tomorrow, if Bank Nifty, even if it opens with a gap down, market can come down for a retest. Only when HDFC Bank shows bullishness, Bank Nifty has a potential to move towards the upside. You can go and check back that video. This retest in the market failed. HDFC Bank again started correcting. I had personally explained about this in our private Telegram group today morning. Now, if you check our private Telegram group, the first thing what we did today morning was identify important support resistance level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. We marked this level on the chart somewhere around 921. In the next update, I clearly said that I feel after a small correction towards the upside, market has a potential of moving towards the downside. I said I will explain in a video at 9:56. I shared this video in our private Telegram group where I clearly explained that Bank Nifty has a chance of moving towards the upside, and from the upper level we can see a correction. That is when I'll plan for a put option trade, or else market can just stay sideways. So my overview about the market for Bank Nifty was bearish to sideways market. And while speaking about Nifty also, I explained that Nifty can make a momentum like this or it can stay sideways. Now traders, this is a 3.5 minute video where step by step I've explained all the logic behind why I had a bearish to sideways view about the market. I cannot explain everything in this video, so what I've done is I've forwarded this video to our free Telegram channel. You can scan this QR code, go and check out this video. There's a lot of useful information which I've discussed related to price action, stop loss hunting and trade psychology. So since our view was bearish, I was looking for an opportunity. As soon as I identified the opportunity at 10:16, I said please check Nifty, because Nifty was at an important resistance level from where I expected a correction. You can see exactly from this level what kind of movement Nifty did. But me personally, I could not get proper exit because there was issue with Zerodha. The premiums were not moving and the PNL also was not moving. So I have taken a video of this. I'll be sending it to Zerodha to help me rectify this issue. Now in Nifty, my plan for exit was at the zone, right after capturing this moment from the upper level. The main reason why I wanted to do this, I want to explain here because next time it will be useful for you. Nifty has given a breakdown, right? And Bank Nifty, what was it doing at that time? Bank Nifty came to the base support. Many times I've discussed one index giving breakdown, other index coming to the support, then there is a chance of reversal. So with profit, what we did, we thought of exiting. But me personally, here I did not get the exit. I got my exit somewhere here. I lost some profit here. Nothing can be done. I'll see if Zerodha can help me out with this. But one important thing today morning itself I had highlighted in this particular video is HDFC Bank, where I said we can expect a momentum like this, right? So with that view, even in Bank Nifty, we had a bearish view. Okay, so please go and check out this video. It will be very useful. In our free Telegram channel also, you can see at many levels I had discussed that Reliance, this area could be a support where Nifty has a chance of moving towards the upside. Now if you open Nifty chart from this level, there was a small correction. So anyone who thought of entering a put option trade at this reversal, they would have avoided the trap. So these kind of updates regularly, whenever I see in the market, I will share that with you. Hope all my updates today was useful for you. Now let's quickly discuss about trading plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Now traders, if you have observed today, Nifty and Bank Nifty, to a certain extent, it was staying sideways, right? There was no big momentum in the market. Nifty was just holding on to a range. And if you check Bank Nifty, here also there was no big movement. Now anyone who sold call option or put option at the upper level and lower level, to a certain extent, they would have seen some decent premium decay, right? One of the main reason for this is India VIX. India VIX has gone to 10 right now. During this time, the premiums might not increase. But I personally feel in the month of May, we can expect a big spike in the market. If India VIX shoot up in the month of May, then definitely the premiums will be very high. Option sellers, they would be in trouble in case they are applying any kind of straddles in the market. Now for an option buyer also, it's not going to be that easy. If India VIX shoots up, right? Let's say you have taken a call option trade, but market decides to move towards the downside. If India VIX is high, definitely you will be seeing more losses because premiums will be very high in the month of May. This is what I'm thinking. So being very careful in this kind of situation becomes very important. Also, no carry forwarding positions overnight. Now taking all of these factors into consideration, in Nifty, you can see it was just trading within a range, right? Tomorrow, if Nifty just consolidates within this range, better to avoid any kind of trade. In case market comes out of this range, it has tested this level many times, 22,420 level, right? If it comes out of this range, retest, gives a breakout, then with small stop loss, we'll be looking for a call option trade and reach 22,490 level. I say this because if you see in the past, there is a gap here. To fill the gap, market can move towards the upside. Now this movement might happen tomorrow or on the expiry day if market wants to trap any option writers who have sold at the upper level. The same logic applies on the put side. As long as market is just consolidating within this range, no trade. But if it comes out of this range, retest and then gives a breakdown, then with small stop loss, we will plan for a put and we might be able to capture bigger movement. The first target can be 22,310. Second target can be 22,270. Sorry for my writing. 22,270 this is okay. In Nifty, as long as market is just consolidating within this range, it is better to avoid. If you ask me personally, I'm having a bearish view. Market after this fall, it has moved up to 618 level. This is a reversal area. If market comes out of this zone, wherever with reasonable stop loss, I have a put option trade I will consider. But since India VIX is low, we cannot guarantee that this movement can happen. But what we will do is identify support and resistance during the live market based on where Nifty is trading. Just like today, if there is setup, we will enter or else completely avoid the trade for the day. In Bank Nifty also, it's just consolidating within a range. But what you would notice is if you just ignore today's candle, continuously this was resistance and this trend line is acting as support. We will mark the lower level and the upper level. As long as market is just consolidating within this range, no trade. But if it breaks the level, I mean the symmetric pattern, rather than immediately entering, we will wait for a retest. Then if the day's high is broken, that is when we'll be looking for a call option trade. Even if market opens with the gap down, wait for a retest. Again, if it breaks the day's low, we will plan for a put option. Between this range, planning for any kind of trade is not a good idea, and especially tomorrow is Bank Nifty expiry. After this kind of consolidation, maybe the market can give a bigger momentum towards the upside or downside. We will patiently wait until 10 o'clock. If there is any trading setup, we'll try to capture. Let's try our best not to get caught in the opposite direction. Okay, this is my view about the market. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, share it with them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.